Hello. In this short demo, we will look at discovery in VisibleThread. Discovery is a capability which allows proposal managers and people conducting reviews to spot language in issuing docs and ensure alignment between the issuing language and the response language. Okay, let's start. I'm currently signed in as Dan. Dan in this capacity is a proposal manager. Dan is looking at the statement of work, and specifically the discovery section, and has noticed, by use of filtering on nouns, that there is one mention of ESF. By clicking on the checkbox adjacent to ESF, Dan discovers that there is a need to address an emergency support function too. Dan is now interested to see if we have covered that out in terms of our response document. To do so, Dan selects the response document in the navigation pane on the left-hand side, and now using Discovery, he will filter on ES, and here we see that there is no ESF reference. Dan is very concerned at this juncture because essentially we need to speak the language of the offerer. Indeed, Dan's discovery of ESF and its lack of completeness across document is greatly facilitated by the folder level view for discovery that VisibleThread has. Here I'm selecting the folder RFP3. I'll now use filtering in exactly the same way as I had done prior to this with a document, except in this case I see the list and I see how the list correlates across documents. Each column on the right represents a document. In this case we see ESF occurring in the statement of work, but no correlating occurrence in the response document. Okay, thanks very much for your attention. During this demonstration, we saw how concepts identified as being present and important in an issuing document were not found in the response document. Therefore, we are seeing a lack of alignment from the point of view of the responding authority. Okay, please do check out some of our other demonstrations and extra videos on VisibleThread.com. See you next time.